All right, Josh is here. He's probably gonna be recording, so let's find out. Hey! Oh, he's not.
Hey! He's vlogging!
I was hoping that you were going to be recording because I was also recording. See, all right, so I'm glad that there's no way for you to see my camera, guys, because compared to this, no. Oh wait, I forgot I could do that. Okay.
Oh yeah, you look at myself. Do you have a T5?
I don't have T5. I have a nice camera, guys. Don't let him tell you otherwise. So Josh, we've literally just been sitting here watching Jimmy Fallon.
Really?
And it's been good, except the internet doesn't work. So
it's working.
Oh, it's working. So
You need.
I didn't. Newbie. All right,
It'll take a while.
Brandon, I have never successfully unlocked your door. Oh my gosh!
Alright, no, the other way.
No.
Woo! That was an experience.
Unlocking the door.
Yeah. So.
Oh, shit, wait. Don't lock
Oh, Josh left something.
Don't lock it yet.
I actually made the same mistake that I've been making. And that was, whoa, not turning my camera towards me. Josh is running like crazy. Where's he going? Yeah, so
This is our collab.
Josh is, so Josh actually, what's your YouTube channel?
Gosh Josh TV.
I actually said his name earlier and I got the YouTube channel wrong, so
What'd you say?
I said Go Josh TV.
Go
But so yeah, you should check him out because he does this kind of stuff all the time, except he's way better at it than me because I've never done this before. And so this is my first time, guys. I'm so excited to share this first time with you. I've never done this. But so actually you'll see on my shirt here, you see TNO Entertainment. That's because that's the company that I own. You guys should check us out on Facebook at TNO Entertainment. So that would be super awesome for you guys to do because that makes me money.
Copyright.
Anyways,
Copyright.
I own the company. And all right, guys, here we go. Now that we have parked on the very bottom floor, we're going to take an elevator to go to the very top floor. Come on, Josh. All right, guys, I'm scared of elevators. Leave Josh, leave Josh, leave Josh, leave Josh. Couldn't leave Josh. But here we go. Let's see. Brandon! We're gonna be here for a really long time. And Brandon, that's because you hit every button besides the button. Oh no, the 5 doesn't work.
See if it'll skip past 4. It didn't skip past 4.
4. What? 6. Alright, so now Josh left us and is actually probably going to be there before us since Brandon completely broke this elevator.
This is what college has got me like right now.
So here we are, we have finally made it to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue.
Yeah?
We are surrounded by 500,000 motorcyclers or something. 400? 400,000 motorcyclists. I can't count. I guess I should count. But yeah, we're surrounded by 400,000 motorcyclists from all over the world that are coming to Fayetteville, Arkansas for the second largest motorcycle meetup in the world. What's the first? So, I can't remember what the first is. I don't know. No, this is not first. The first is in like South Dakota. Anyways, it's about to get really loud, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
I'm totally gonna scare you.
This is I'm recording so. What are you doing? What?
That'd be great. Get old Jackie up here. Hey, are you still rocking? Watch out, lady. She's rocking out over here. She's about to fall on the ground. Still rowdy.
It's a little older, so it doesn't come up like mine, so it's a little I should have worn my case when I stopped by.
You spray painted it? Hey, Cherokee.
There you go, that high though, because I'm like losing. Are you trying to get me?
Oh, okay. That's what I was showing you. So here we are right now at Bikes, Blues, and Barbecues. It's been a huge success. I'm starving, and I keep trying to find somewhere to eat. However, I keep stopping to record random things. Josh is posing behind my camera, so... Hi, Josh. And hi, Brandon. But, so
That guy's filming us right now.
he's like, I'm not signing a release form either. So, you're just in it. Sorry. But, yeah, so Bikes, Blues, and Barbecues has been a huge success so far, and I'm so excited to eat even more barbecue. Let's go.
What you doing?
Yeah?
Yeah, you got a T3i?
Yeah.
No, you gotta like pose like or a kid playing an iPad. Something like that. Let's go. Sorry.
Yeah! Alright, so here we are, guys, on Dixon Street for Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. There are so many motorcycles, and it's been so loud. It's literally, and helicopters, literally so impossible to hear anything I'm saying on camera. I'm not even 100%. And apparently people, so it's really loud.
This is bitch on it.
This is just rude.
That looks like they were filming.
Mug shot. Alright, Alright, so here we are. We just finished
Right, so here
exploring.
we are. We just finished
exploring Dixon Street with Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. It was awesome. We had some awesome barbecue and saw some awesome bikes. Now we're waiting for Brandon to come back and give us a ride because we didn't drive here. And I have no idea where he is, but we're right next to his car, so hopefully he shows up soon. Josh, what'd you think? I had a very similar feeling, but cool. Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue was a huge success. I will see you all later. This is Kyle Lemke, signing out. Well, I'll see you guys next time. This is Kyle Lemke. Oppression sucks.